Welcome to the future of speed. I want to draw your attention to the supercharged heart of this machine, the Ninja H2R.
Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're taking a closer look at the legendary Kawasaki Ninja H2R, a motorcycle built for extreme performance and unforgettable speed. Performance. The Ninja H2R is powered by a supercharged 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, delivering breathtaking acceleration and enormous power. Its supercharger technology gives this machine a truly unique performance character. Design and technology. With its aggressive aerodynamic bodywork, distinctive styling, advanced electronics, and premium components, the H2R looks and feels like a machine from the future. Every detail is designed around high-performance riding. Why it stands out. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R is more than a superbike, it's a showcase of Kawasaki engineering. Its incredible power, advanced technology, and unmistakable design make it one of the most extraordinary motorcycles ever built. Conclusion. That's our quick look at the Kawasaki Ninja H2R. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to King Bike for more exciting motorcycle content.